Yo, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about this new blockchain that is also getting a lot of hype. We've seen the likes of Aptos, Sui, all these blockchains getting some hype. Next is Sia here. That is looking like it's going to be the next one to get a lot of hype, especially since they will be doing an airdrop. Now, I do got to say, we did get the opportunity to get into the private sale of this, right? This is going to be a big one here that I believe is going to be huge, but the thing is their vesting was terrible for the private sale stage. So for those that are airdrop hunting, it will fare a little bit better because they will be able to get their entire allocation from their airdrop here. That will actually probably be a sizable gain for you guys. Now, before I continue talking about Sia here, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, to 20k subscribers. And if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you think about Sia here. Are you guys airdrop hunting? And if you guys haven't already checked out the Discord, join that Discord, ask your questions about the Patreon, how we get into these upcoming projects, private sales, because like I said, we did get the opportunity to get into the private sale of Sia here, and there's a lot more big opportunities that we will be getting. To name a few, we got Layer 0, Sulfiaverse, Twin Protocol. So we keep getting a lot of big projects, right? Opportunity to get into a lot of big projects. So if you don't want to miss out on the next big, join that Patreon, join the Discord, and let's get right into the video. So there's a nice little one pager here for Sia. As you guys can see, Sia is a layer 1 optimized for exchange of digital assets, a fully open source general purpose blockchain, right? The backers from Jump, Delph, Coinbase Ventures, and there's a lot of other ones like Binance, they're actually going to be launching on the Binance Launchpad as well. You can see the rounds that they went through, and you can see the total initial supply. The total supply is 10 billion. Initial supply would be 1.8 billion of Sia out there. Launch pools will have 300 million available for that launch pool. The listing date is going to be the 15th, so you guys got a few days before it comes out to see if you guys want to trade it. But if you guys already been airdrop hunting this, you guys are already prepared. Now, like I said, they're going to be on the Binance launch pool, which is going to be a big thing because that means they're going to get listed straight on Binance. You already see that they're going to be listed on Mexi, which are two good exchanges off the back already for Sia. So this can see a price manipulation. It could be an up and down for Sia for a while because you're going to have the airdrop hunters that are going to look to take their profits at the highest price that they possibly can, and some traders that are going to be looking to actually get a nice entry point on Sia if they haven't gotten into the private sale or got that airdrop, right? So if you guys didn't get into the airdrop or the private sale, the best thing for you guys is to let the dust settle if you guys are a big fan of the Sia, because their ecosystem is actually pretty big as of right now, which I'm going to break down later on in the video here. Now, Sia is a unique blockchain, right? Sia is designed to address the scalability and user experience problems that stop Web3 apps from growing into mainstream adoption. The exchange of digital assets is a universal function across gaming, socials, NFTs, DeFi applications. So they do have a lot of things going for them, especially with the key highlights. You guys can see it's trustless, see a time for finality, it's quick. You got the intelligent block propagation, optimistic block processing. Then you got the parallelization here. This is not going to come out for a while. When you go scroll down a little bit, you get to see a little bit of what they have been doing here, right? The existing products, the testnet metrics to date this was for July. You know, you got the Sia JS packages on chain 20k. The total number of transactions processed 402 million, right? And the total wallets right now was 7.5 million, and then the peak daily active users was 984,000 users, right? Like I said, private sale, investors were able to get about 20% of the token supply. The Binance launch pool was 3%. The teams got 20%. Foundation is 9%. The ecosystem reserve is 48%. Now they do have a current roadmap, right, which ends for the Q4 right now, Q4 of 2023, which is subject to governance. That means it could possibly change. And same for this, they got the first half of 2024, what they're going to be looking to add: the optimistic parallelization, consensus improvements, the MEV auctions, the intra validator shardings. Then they got the ZK Lite client. That is going to be the first half of 2024. So things is going to get kind of interesting for Sia here. As you guys can see, SushiSwap to launch the centralized perpetual exchange on Sia. That is huge for SushiSwap, guys. That is very big for them. The DeFi blue chip protocol SushiSwap expands to their first non-EVM chain with SIA. That is actually a big thing right there, right? Tatami joined SIA as the leading Web3 gaming publisher. Tatami enables Web3 games to gain distribution across SIA users and integrate with other apps in the SIA ecosystem. Then you got the SIA Foundation to host Bay Area Hackathon with One Piece Labs, and you got the SIA Foundation sponsors Tokyo Web3 Summer Hackathon. So they actually been working a lot. A lot of people are pretty big fans of SIA as of right now, especially because they're doing an airdrop. Now, like I did say, their ecosystem is actually getting pretty big in terms of how early they are as of right now. Their DeFi landscape is good. Infrastructure landscape is nice. They got some NFT collections here. Then you got the NFT marketplace. Now you got some good gaming here. I would like to see gaming grow a little bit more into this ecosystem. Now you got the bridges here. You got Axler. I've been telling you guys, Axler, you're gonna pay attention for them. Router protocol is here. Seller is here. Probably then maybe Layer 0 would get action, a little bit of action for SIA as well. So there's some things going on for the SIA ecosystem. I'm pretty hyped about that. Now, if you guys wanted to know if you guys were eligible for the SIA airdrop, basically you had to been staking, you had to been bridging, you had to been using the testnet, right? Incentives include being a part of the ambassador program, the blocked protocol task. Then you got the verified CeeLo role. So these are some things that you could have done to basically prepare yourself for that airdrop. Now, if you guys have done it, you're potentially going to be rewarded. We've seen a bunch of airdrops that, you know, you could think of SIA. Maybe you can get like $1,000 from SIA, maybe $2,000, low end $500. But anyways, it's free money, right? It's a good way to start the ecosystem, and people are going to be trading this as of right now. Some people may actually keep their SIA and not sell it, because if you've seen that with a lot of people that do that from different airdrops, or they take their profits and they move it into the SIA ecosystem and try to trade around there. So SIA is going to be an interesting thing to look into. One of the 3 new blockchains that everyone is going to probably be talking about: SIA, Aptos, Sui, and there's a few other ones to come out. But you guys let me know how you guys feel about SIA. Have you guys been doing any of these, the staking, the bridging, the using the testnet? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed there yet, please do so. We on that road to 20k subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you think about SIA down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.